channel. What is our channel?
Learning together.
So today we are going to do a very special project. Guess what it is?
What? What?
A piano.
But not just any piano. This piano is really special.
What? Special? What is special?
It has bananas.
It uses fruit as a keyboard.
What? What? What?
These are wires. These are a battery. This is Arduino. This is resistors. And we're gonna connect the bananas.
Not yet. So the Arduino is like a small computer, like the Raspberry Pi. It detects the energy that is going to the bananas. So now let's connect them.
Okay. Boom. Done. Done.
What?
There.
What?
Now the battery.
There.
Look, Barbara. Well, I can't do it. But now, Barbara, give me my hand. Now I can do it. Barbara is connected to the ground. That's
I can
this.
do that.
With the
And
bracelet.
I can
And
do that, please.
this sends energy to the bananas, and that's it. I'm losing energy. That's why it's dee, alert, alert.
What? Alert?
See, I need to touch Barbara. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. What is our channel?
Learning together.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.